Welcome to Classic Rewind. I did a video earlier, probably 3 months ago or so, about the GTO that I got, and when I started stripping it down, I realized that really not too much of this car is salvageable, except the doors and the trunk lid. The quarter panels are in decent shape, so I realized that it's more work rebuilding this than it was rebuilding the original GTO that my videos are all about. So I just want to let you guys know I'm going to be tearing this apart and cutting everything off. So my frame, there's a little bit of damage on the frame, on the front horn. The firewall looks like it's in decent shape. The torque box, the mounting brackets here are in good shape. So let's get started and start tearing this apart. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks. Okay. Just got done cutting my last support right here on the pillar. That side's cut, the bottom's cut, and I cut all along the underside of the firewall. So all I have to do now is remove this and let it drop. So here we go. All right, that's the firewall. So that's all done. Like I said, it's in decent shape. It needs a little bit of work if anyone's willing to salvage it, but for me this is way too much right now, especially bring on another project car for you guys. That's really what I wanted to do, but this is way above and beyond the build that I want to get into now, plus I want to finish the other one for you. Let's start doing it. That's the roof. So now we're working on the quarters. The floor pan is pretty shot. So, and the previous buyer cut out the package tray. So that's done. So the only thing that really needs to be done now is cut along the wheel wells to remove the quarter panels. So let's do that. Cutting up the GTO. This is a 68, by the way, if anyone's wondering. Everything else is pretty much done for, but here, I'll just show you the I'm saving the inner structure of the door right here. So again, if you have any questions or comments, let me know. That's done. There it is. This quarter panel's done. The next thing I do is remove the trunk lid, or the trunk filler panel here. I'm going to cut it here and cut it here and try to save this in case I use it or need it for another build. But hope you're enjoying this video. That's done. Okay. Okay. And that's that. We're almost done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna cut it across the floor pan to the trunk pan, and then that's pretty much it, and it's all cut up. So let me start over here, and please leave a comment. Let me know what you guys think. Forgot to take the fuel pump off. Anyway. All right, let me show you this. I would have needed all new floor pan. This is the inner rocker here. You see how rotted away that is. The floor joists were all rotted. So like I said, it wasn't salvageable to start this project again like the other one until I'm done. And it would have taken too much time and effort to build it like I did the other one, because this is, I think, a hell of a lot worse than what the other GTO was when I started building it. So just wanted to bring you guys in as part of the destruction of the 68 GTO. So other than that, it's going to go to the scrap yard. I wanted to show you that. Okay, I hope you guys like, share, and subscribe.